The brown booby sula leucogaster, also known as the batu goose, is a widely distributed seabird found across the globe, especially in tropical and subtropical regions. This bird has an incredible ability to swallow fish larger than its mouth in an instant, thanks to its flexible neck, elastic throat, and efficient digestive system. It can effortlessly conquer large prey. Its remarkable adaptations make it a smart and resilient opportunistic, or predator in marine environments. Want to discover more fascinating wildlife facts? Subscribe now and never miss an exciting update.